paja bygga då.
Oh my god! Yeah. What is up, guys? It has been too long, I know. You see all around here, I have so much snow right now. But today, it's one of the days where we actually, you know, we have a little space to ride on, which is really good. So we'll see what we're gonna do today. But first of all, I just want to thank Eltra for sponsoring me with this new electric scooter. It is really, really good. So throughout this day, I will be riding this, and at the end I'm gonna tell you guys my personal experience with it. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I hope you guys had a really good, great Christmas. I had a good time myself, except that, you know, I haven't been able to ride now since like the 20th of December. So probably gonna be a little rusty today. But let's just see if I still got the quad whip. What do you think, Kalle? Do you think I have it?
I think you can do it first try, yeah. Easy. Yo, so easy.
Damn, felt pretty easy today.
Nice.
Maybe I should try the 6 whips today.
Yeah.
That's not a good idea. But I just want to thank you guys so much for reporting that fake Henki account. It has finally been removed, so I'm really thankful for that.
On TikTok, yeah.
Yeah, on TikTok, yeah.
Okay, F you, Henrik. Of course, you can do that first, too. Free, dude. For probably. I shot it.
Okay. We're gonna go to the P house now, or parking house.
Yeah.
Kalle is a little bit too cold right now. So.
Me? It is cold outside.
You said it, bro.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna see if this scooter can hold up for some light tricks.
Yeah.
Because that's a really great way of testing a scooter quality, is how it, you know, holds up with a big ride.
Snart Paul.
Yeah.
So we just arrived in the parking lot.
Yeah.
We have Cali. So this is where we always ride when it's extremely cold outside. As you can see today, we have quite a bit of space here, which is really good.
Yeah.
So
I've been here for about 3 years almost.
yeah. So, yeah, I think Kalle started working out again. I think he has grown a little more actually.
Yeah, but the mayor routes are gone because of the milk.
Yeah. Still good. Here we go, some first try tricks. Oh man, this brings back so many memories from like 2018.
2 weeks either, and I ride every single day when it's good weather outside.
Ja. Ställa. Laxering. Är det Ouija?
Oh no, fork.
Oh man, that was good. Let's go for a broad swoop or. Oh man, that was really good. All right, let's show them the crack.
Oh yeah, it's not small, guys.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's gonna snap any second. So this might be the last session with this deck actually. So that deck has been lasting me for
3 years.
3 years now.
Yeah, 3 years now.
Which is crazy. Really great quality. So shout out to Ethic for making that deck. It's really good.
Yeah.
And I think like this will be the only deck I will ever ride because I have gotten so used to it. So probably won't be using the Aztec Hydro deck. Yeah, it just doesn't give me good vibes, so hello.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do a little acceleration test here with the Eltra.
Alright, I'll see it.
Yeah!
Yo, dude, that's fast. Oh my god. Yo. Oh shoot!
You can manually turn it on and off, which is really cool. Because here we have the on and off switch.
Yeah.
Light it on there.
Yeah.
You also have a honk. Pretty damn loud. That's
Good to pick up girls with.
So now I'm gonna try a 180 on this scooter. Let's see if we can get that. That'll be the quick.
Oh my god, yeah.
And by the way, don't do this at home. I don't recommend that you do tricks with the electric scooter.
Yeah, exactly. You can get eel in here. Alright, let's get it. Oh my god, dude. That was actually good.
What? Really?
Yo.
That's a really strong sign of high quality.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Not a single mark.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome, dude.
It's really nice. As you can see, the scooter has a lot of suspension.
Yeah, exactly.
But I do absolutely not recommend that you do jumps on it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Slash, come in. Okay, so today we're just going for a chill slash. Let's see this. Okay. Oh my god! Oh. What the fuck, dude? Oh my god! Det blev riktigt snyggt. Jo du! Oh my god! No!
I deadlifted 620 pounds yesterday, and now this. What the fuck? I've been trying a trick since 2019.
Yep.
An entire day I failed that trick.
Yeah.
And I got it fucking like second try.
Okay, what do we do?
Sorry?
What do we do?
Ride scooters and work out.
Yeah. Helt kickless.
First try in 2 weeks.
Ja. Använd Tinder-hjärnan. Alright, so Kalle is gonna try a quad whip now. He has not been doing this for a very long time now. In a very long time. Almost a month, yeah. Let's see it. BDSM slave. Nej! Give it all. Ja! It's pissy. Why didn't you get it first try today?
I'm too cold.
It's too cold, yeah.
Yeah. Like,
Makes it so much harder to ride. It's like riding with 100 in ping.
Vad heter steel?
Steel, eller vadå? Stiff, eller? Ja.
Yeah, I'm very stiff.
It's really stiff.
Because it's cold and stuff.
Oh my! Come on. Ah. Kom igen. Oh my god! Jo! Det är ingen grippa. Because we are the fires on the front line burning. And you will never put Linda out. Allt i mitt huvud. Oj! What the fuck? That was insane. Yeah. He'll love the rewind. Åh, den var lätt. Who thinks Kalle got triple? Please like the comment the video if you think he has it. Yeah, Henki is going for my worldly. aka the quad heel. Oh. Oh my. Oh my god. I'll take that. Yes. Shoot.
Oh, heel at almost 24, insane dude.
Do that now. Alright, so I'm feeling extremely sore in my back. Really sore in my back. I don't know why, it just came up. Like after that KICKLESS, I felt like my thoracic area just got really sore just out of nowhere, so I'm gonna hold here. But so far a very good session. I'm gonna get one clip out in the snow after this, and then maybe we will sneak in at a gym and he will try 400-pound deadlift. That would be so cool to witness. And by the way, as I said before, I did get the KICKLESS to CrossFOOT today, and I'm actually gonna credit the squats that I've been doing lately for that, because a year ago I just couldn't get it. I attempted it like 100 times, just like he did in one session, and I just couldn't get it. So maybe that extra gains have made it possible. Who knows? I think you guys should try it. So I really think the flat god bar really made this scooter a hell of a lot better than it used to be, because today the tricks just feel effortless like every single session. So go to my website right here, flatgod.com, and pick up a pair because they are extremely good. So I don't know for how much longer I will continue to sell them, so just keep that in mind. But hey, head to my site and it's in the description below. So yeah, they're really good. Oh, so.
And they're also really good for bright twists.
Yes, they are.
Prove that now.
Felanterna. Yeah, first try in 2021. Känns som en.
So yeah, it's a lot of snow out here, but Henk is still going to try something crazy here. Yes. Oh my god! Paje, bygga. Oh my god. Behandle the scooter worse.
Unfortunately, we could not train at the gym today, so that will be it for this session. We had a lot of fun. So now I'm going to rate the Eltra scooter.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Okay, so to sum up the Eltra experience, I gotta say it's a really good scooter. It is like when you ride, it goes extremely smooth. That was one of the first things that I noticed with it, is how smooth it goes on like any type of surface, which is, you know, extremely beneficial. From previous electric scooters that I've used with stiffer wheels, it was always this, you know, this shaking.
Yeah.
And with this scooter, it completely removes that, so really good.
Yeah.
And also the fact that the bar is adjustable.
Oh, what?
I really like the overall aesthetic of it. So yeah, there are two cons with the scooter, this is in my personal experience, and that is that the interface right here, as you can see, like you do have your normal interface, and then you have the more advanced interface here. As you can see here, we have different modes, and with the instruction manual, there is not that much detailed information on how all these modes directly impacts the performance. So I would definitely like to see that in the future, that they would like write a little bit more about the different modes. There are currently 10 on this, so yeah. And also the fact that the acceleration on the scooter isn't that good. Like when you have gone up to a certain speed, then it's all good, it goes really fast and smoothly, but as you can see here, it takes
quite a bit of time to reach those high speeds.
Yeah.
Is that necessarily a con? No, it isn't, but I do prefer a little bit of pitch, so yeah. But overall, I'm gonna rate the scooter 8 out of 10, which is really good, you know. 8 out of 10 is a great score.
Yeah.
And I'm also
For sure.
considering that it is on the more expensive side. It's like around $750 or something. I don't know what the dollar is right now because it's Swedish currency.
Yeah.
But if you're interested in getting one, please click the link in the comments down below, and you will get access to the whole webpage because they have a lot of great products. This is not the only one. They have all kinds of professional electric scooters, so definitely check them out. All right, so real good start to the new year.
Yeah.
And I really hope you guys enjoyed. This was actually one of the better sessions in a very long time. But please like, comment and subscribe because it really helps my motivation. It helps like crazy.
Yeah.
So
Helps the algorithm.
like you guys know with YouTube these days, like the videos that get more likes and the interaction, they get pushed out by the algorithm.
Yeah, exactly.
So that would mean a lot to me if you could do that. Like we always put in max effort. We might not upload too often, but when we do, it's always max effort. We don't do anything half-assed here. So
Exactly.
keep that in mind. And yeah, also comment down below some new world's first we can try for our next videos, because
That would be awesome.
I have a feeling this year is going to be really good. So
Yeah.
please do that. That will mean a lot. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.